Npower Teach. To improve the inadequacies in basic education, the federal government is training and engaging young Nigerian graduates between 18 and 35 years in the Npower Volunteer Corps program as teaching assistants. Npower Teach volunteers will be engaged in a 2-year skills development program while providing teaching support in our public schools. They will receive a monthly stipend and a computing device to ensure their continuous learning to advance onto economic jobs. Through Npower Teach, our young graduates who are currently unemployed are empowered for success while paving the way for a responsive and efficient public school system. Don't sit down hopeless and helpless. Get up and get empowered. Apply at npower.gov.ng and learn about where you fit. Npower is an initiative of the National Social Investment Program of the Federal Government of Nigeria.